Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best portable air conditioners on Amazon. Portable air conditioners are an excellent way to beat the heat without breaking the bank. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Black & Decker Portable Air Conditioner. This portable air conditioner is perfect for a comfortable and cool summer. This versatile unit is powerful yet quiet, with an adjustable fan speed that cools the air to a refreshing temperature. With sleep mode, you can rest easy with an extra quiet operation that won't wake you up while you sleep. This portable air conditioner is perfect for small rooms, making it ideal for dorms, apartments, cabins, campers, offices, bedrooms, or living rooms. Installation is simple and quick. All you have to do is wheel it into any room with a double hung or sliding window, attach the included hose and window adapter, and plug it in. This unit will work reliably all summer to cool your room and provide fresh air. What we like about it: powerful cooling abilities, sturdy shipping and assembly. The user interface is easy to work with. What we don't like about it: the window vent plate may be too large. Not easily adjustable. Number 2. Serene Life Portable Air Conditioner. Keep cool and comfortable no matter where you are with the Serene Life Portable Home AC. With its powerful 10,000 BTU cooling power, this 3-in-1 device can quickly cool a room and function as a dehumidifier and fan. The dehumidifier feature aids in the overall comfort level of the environment, making it a versatile and useful product. The fan allows you to circulate fresh air into the space if you're feeling stuffy. Switching between modes is quick and easy with multiple settings and the remote control. Enjoy ultimate convenience with auto swing, a built-in 24-hour timer, and push-button control. What we like about it: suitable for extreme weather conditions. Functions as a dehumidifier. Energy-efficient design and functions. What we don't like about it: may require additional drainage hose. Takes a while to cool the room. Number 3. Winter Portable Air Conditioner. Beat the heat this summer with the Winter Portable Air Conditioner. This powerful air conditioner can cool down rooms up to 500 square feet, making it perfect for larger spaces or multiple rooms. Typical portable units are only suitable for smaller spaces, so this is a unique choice. With auto drain technology, this dual-hose portable AC unit recycles moisture collected during the cooling process to produce cool air and features a dehumidifying capacity of 71 pints per day. It has a dehumidifier and fan to help you stay comfortable, and an activated carbon filter and storage bag to keep your air clean and cool. What we like about it: very easy to install. An additional storage bag keeps the unit clean. Included caster wheels are easy to maneuver. What we don't like about it: struggles to maintain temperature. Larger size than some other options. Number 4. Shinko Portable Air Conditioner. This Shinko portable air conditioner is perfect for any room. With a powerful cooling capacity of 8,000 BTU, this AC unit can effortlessly cool small to medium-sized spaces, ensuring that you can enjoy a comfortable and refreshing environment even on the hottest summer days. The adjustable temperature range gives you complete control over your cooling experience, whether you like it icy cold or a little warmer. You can choose between 2 fan speeds to get the perfect breeze in your space. This powerful unit features a built-in dehumidifier and multiple fan modes. What we like about it: perfect for small and medium rooms. No leaks or cracks. Easy to move around the home. What we don't like about it: the user interface is very bright. The fan may be a little loud. Number 5. Midi Portable Air Conditioner. Keep cool this summer with the Midi Portable Air Conditioner. This option is perfect for any room up to 175 square feet, making it an ideal choice for your bedroom, living room, or kitchen. This portable air conditioner boasts effortless operation, with easy-to-read digital controls that make it simple to adjust the temperature in the room. This versatile unit works as an air conditioner, dehumidifier, and fan. With a remote control and window kit, you can control the temperature from anywhere in the room or even from another room. What we like about it: dual hose design for efficiency. Easy to place near a wall. Included instructions are easy to read. What we don't like about it. Difficult to move around. The exhaust hose is large and inflexible. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.